Although the sun begins its return, the solar terms of minor cold, or xiaohan, and major cold, or dahan, mark the coldest periods of the year. Warmth never arrives all at once. The earth lies desolate, and nature remains silent. Whether seen or felt, the cold in the world makes no distinction between greater and lesser degrees. It seeps into every crevice, making its presence unbearably intense. At this time, the anticipated encounters rarely happen, and even the most hopeful aspirations seem frozen. After all, spring is still some time away. This is the moment of utmost coldness. There is no need to seek anything deliberately, because every chill eventually passes. The balance between warmth and cold is a perfect equilibrium in the twinkling of an eye. Breathing in and out, from the surface to the core, reflects the true essence of all living things in nature. What is buried beneath the snow will eventually thaw. Though the cold may pierce to the bone, it filters out ambiguity, leaving a clarity that is refreshing and transparent. Instead of waiting for the light at distance, it is better to carry our own warmth, which is never frozen. During minor cold, in moments of stillness, one may observe the true self more clearly, which is deeply hidden but never forgotten.